everyone, welcome to the Sunderland Empire. I'm Steph, the Creative Learning Officer here, and I am thrilled to welcome you to this digital workshop for the Sunderland Music Hub's big Festive Sing. In this workshop, we're going to learn some Makaton, so that when we watch the big Festive Sing on the 15th of December, we can sing along, sign along, or both. Today, our Makaton ambassador, Peter Rooney, is going to lead you through some of the signs for the songs. You might learn a chorus to one song or a special verse to another. So get ready to feel festive as you learn the signs to all the songs for our big Festive Sing.
Thanks, Steph. Hello everyone, I'm Peter and I'm a Makaton teacher. Makaton is simply signing alongside speech and of course with singing. So today I'm here to show you some Makaton signs for the songs in the big Festive Sing. But first, just like when we practice our singing, we're going to begin the signing today by warming up our hands. Okay, so are you all ready? If you can stand up and get yourself some space and get your hands free. We're going to start our warm-up with arms. So if you can just lift your arms nice and slowly in the air, bring them down by your sides, put them out in front. And again, lift your arms in the air, down by your sides, and then out in front. And stop. All good? Now, we're going to move on to hands. So for your hands, I want to give them a little shake, get them really nice and warmed up. Give them a little shake there. Shake them up high, shake them down low, and then shake them out in front of you again. Okay? We'll try that again. Give them a little shake. Shake them up high. Shake them down low. And shake them out in front of you. Okay, fantastic. Now we're going to move on to fingers. Lots of the songs have got lights and stars and sparkly bits in, so we're going to get our fingers working. So firstly, hold your palms out in front of you, and then close your fists, and then open them out. Close your fists, and then open them out. And now that they're open, give them a little twiddle. Give them a little twiddle, and then gently bring them into closed fists again. Okay, again. Palms out in front of you. Close your fists, and open them out. Close them again, open them out, and then give them a little twiddle. Bring them gently in to closed fists. Fantastic. Hands all ready? Very good. Let's begin. Okay, ready to sing and ready to sign. So the first song is Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. And we're going to learn the first verse. Now when you sing the whole song, you'll see that some of the signs can be used again later on in the song. So see if you can sign and remember the places that you can sign again. So the signs we're going to learn are rocking around the Christmas tree. So we're just rocking or dancing around the Christmas tree. And then we're at a Christmas party hop. We've got mistletoe hanging where you can see every couple tries to stop. Okay, you try. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Very good. So now we're going to do it again with the music. Remember to sing along. Here we go.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see, every couple tries to stop. Rocking
And that's it. Nice and easy. Well done. Okay, so the next song is It Feels Like Christmas. So we're going to sign the first verse again, and it's quite short, but again, some of the signs are used later on in the song. So, are you ready? It's in the singing of a street corner choir. Going home and getting warm by the fire. It's true, wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. And then we'll do the same again with the music.
It's in the singing of a street corner choir. It's going home and getting warm by the fire. It's true, wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. A cup of kindness that
And that's
we
it.
share with another.
Short, easy, well done. So now we're going to sign When Christmas Comes to Town. This time we'll be signing the second verse, and it's quite a bit longer, so we'll go nice and slowly and do just a little bit at a time. Okay, ready? The best time of the year, when everyone comes home. With all this Christmas cheer, it's hard to be alone. Putting up the Christmas tree with friends that come around. It's so much fun when Christmas comes to town. All okay? Well done.
The best time of the year, when everyone comes home. With all its Christmas cheer, it's hard to be alone. Putting up the Christmas tree with friends who come around. It's so much fun when Christmas comes to town.
There you go. Well done. Great stuff. Okay, our fourth song is one that you will all know very well. It's Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. So we're going to sign quite a lot of it, so I hope you're ready. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. There you go. Well done. And now, with the music.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then
Well done. Okay, you're doing very well. There are two more songs. The first is Sparkle and Shine, and we're going to sing the chorus. It starts with a lovely ooh, like this. Ooh. We have ooh, ooh, sparkle and shine. Planets gather round. Sparkle and shine. Let's all make a dazzling sound. Ready for the music? Here we go.
like mine. Ooh, ooh, sparkle and shine. Planets gather round. Sparkle and shine. Let's all make a dazzling sound.
Well done, well done. Okay, so now it's time for Merry Christmas, everyone. Are you ready? Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season. Love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. And that's it. Now, with the music.
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season of love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Time for
There you go, fantastic, really well done. Okay, so now we've finished our little bit of singing and signing, but there's lots more to do when you have your big festive sing. But for now, well done, thank you and goodbye.
Thanks for that brilliant workshop. Alongside this video, there is a big Festive Sing toolkit to help you join in at school or at home. In the toolkit, you'll find links to all of our videos, you'll find the backing track, you'll find lyrics to all of the songs and sheet music so you can all join in and feel super festive. The toolkit can be found on our website. The event itself will be streamed on YouTube on Wednesday the 15th of December at 2 p.m. So grab some tinsel, throw on a Christmas jumper and sing along with the Big Sing Band. We can't wait to see you there.